Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Nisha here. So today we are going to make some tinctures which is alcohol based. Topically application of these kind of tinctures are used where there is drying or you need some astringent effects which is beneficial to your skin, especially for acne skin or skin irritations or injuries which are deep below the surface of the skin. So let's see how various kind of tinctures are made and how they are used in different applications. So let's start. We need two glass jars as usual. The way we saw in previous video, we need two glass jars with airtight caps, and it should be cleaned and disinfected. This is my chamomile dried flowers which I'm going to use, and I'm going to make a chamomile alcohol tincture, and the other one is green tea and coffee beans. I'm going to use both in one particular jar. So let's see how it comes out. Chamomile generally helps in it's a great thing for enzymia and skin healing process, while coffee, as we all know, coffee based products are not only help in regenerating the skin but also shades cellulites and brightens the complexion, so on. So let's start. I have added this green tea and coffee beans into a jar, and this is chamomile flowers which I'm going to add to the jar again. Oops, no problem. So we'll just clean the surface, kind of, and I've added both the dried flowers into it. See how they look. I'm not filling the jar fully because I'm still going to add alcohol and it needs space. And this is my alcohol. You can take any kind of alcohol. Generally rum or vodkas are used for a traditional process. Otherwise you can even use ethanol, which I don't prefer. And I'll just add the jar. I'll fill the alcohol till half, and the best part of this alcohol tincture is, see the magic. I'll just close it. It has to be airtight. I guess this is not working. Oops. Yes. So I have just added it and I just have to shake it, and at once you can see the color changing. Whereas in my previous video when we made glycerin tinctures, it took around 15 to 22 days to show, yes, to show the difference. And this one at once shows, it starts showing, but still it's not ready to use. Now we will use the chamomile dried flowers. See the coffee color. This even you can intake once you strain it with a cotton cloth. And this is again, this is a normal local vodka which we get in the market, so which is readily available in the wine shops. And we just have to add to this chamomile dried flowers. It is very good for skin healing, and if you have problem with sleeping, anxieties or stomach upset, you can even try these tinctures for that. These problems can be cured with this tinctures, but make sure you're not regular with this. And yes, we'll wait for 15-20 days and let's see how they turn out. I have even made some lavender glycerins, lavenders, saffron and other tinctures which I'll show you. So let's see. Bye bye. This is saffron tincture, which we all know is a high in antioxidant, and it also improves mood, and everyone knows its skin benefits. It is also a good enhancer for weight loss, so you can try for that as well. The other one that lavender, this is the other one, and which acts as uplifts the body and mind. It also calms your body and mind, and it's good for nervous system and digestive system as well. So here are different tinctures that we have made, and this is coffee tincture that we saw. This is after almost 10 to 15 days that I have made it, and see the color, it has almost changed. And the benefits I've already told, that it brightens the complexion and all, and if it's taken internally, it shades the cellulites. And here is a star. I like it a lot. This is chamomile, and you can see the lovely color that has come in. Yes, the herbs are still infusing in it, and I guess I'll keep for more 10 to 15 days. I generally keep my tinctures for almost a month and then I start using them. So they keep on changing the colors every week. This is saffron, which is also known as kesar, and this will give me a lovely color. So hope you liked the video. Do like